Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the screen flickering on Windows computer. Sometimes people face the issues of their computer screen flickering even if they reboot the computer. Typically, screen flickering issues based on the graphics driver or monitor driver software corruptions. So how you can fix this issue? Let's learn how you can fix these issues. So first you have to open the device manager in your computer. You have to search the device manager. Then you have to click on the device manager. It will be open the device manager window. Here you have to select the monitor. You have to expand this. Here the two monitor available. I have used the extended monitor. So you have to select the monitor which is flickering on your computer. Then you have to right click and click on the update driver. You have to click on the search automatically for the drivers. It will be automatically search and collected the driver from the internet. Then it will be updated. So once updated, it will be solve the flickering issues. Then you have to reboot the computer. Then your problem has been solved. Still it's not solved. You have to go to display adapter. Here you have to select the display adapter and click on the update driver. So here also you have to update the drivers. After updated the driver, you have to reboot the computer. Then you have to check it out your monitor. Might be your flickering problem will be solved. In this way you can fix the screen flickering on Windows computer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.